Jeffrey Batten up here at JTech, and I'm going to show you how to basically inspect and the name of each part of an air drum brakes. Alright, right here, this is the main shaft that hooks into the differential. I'm not going to go in order, unfortunately, but this is the main shaft that goes into the differential through the hub. We'll get to that later. And this right here, this big fella, this is the drum brake housing. This is actually what the pads of the shoes they create friction with to stop the truck. It's air powered, of course, and these are very heavy duty. Right here, this is your air brake chamber. This is what activates it. For hydraulic, this would be like the caliper, but this is an air chamber for air brakes. As you can see, the air lines hook up here and here. This one is the input. I think this one's the exit. I can't tell right now. This is the yoke. This hooks into your automatic slack adjuster or manual slack adjuster. And to take it off, you'd have to cage it with a cage bolt, but this unfortunately isn't working, so I wouldn't be able to show you how to do that. It's locked up, and this is your air brake chamber. Right here, this is your S-cam. This is what pushes your shoes. It just does a slight turn. It pushes the shoes against the pad to stop the vehicle. This delivers the stopping force. Of course, this is a shaft. You have to keep it well greased and lubed. Inspect it for damages or teeth or anything. But this is fine. This is the S-cam. This would be your air brake chamber bracket, but this is your slack adjuster. This one's a manual. You just put a wrench here and adjust it until you can feel the pad slightly touching the shoes. The shoes slightly touching the drum brake housing. The slack adjuster goes right through here. As you can see, it has teeth. The teeth match up to this, and that's how it goes on. And it just turns with it. Alright, make sure to grease and lube this up well, or else you create friction and damage the parts. This is actually two parts. This is your spider plate. This is like a backing plate to a standard light duty drum brakes, but it's not. So this just holds everything in place and hooks directly to the axle. And this is a separate part. This is your S-cam 2 or S-cam housing. It hooks to the back of the spider plate, of course, as you can see. And this is where you mount your air brake chamber onto. The S-cam just slides through here. You put the the automatic slack adjuster right here, and the air brake will hook to it like that. Keep the inside well lubricated, grease it up. That's why it has a grease fitting. And that is your S-cam 2. These big fellas right here, these are the shoes or the pads. This is the stopping force. As you can see, these actually have a lot of meat on them. I'm not sure what their typical lifespan is, but I'm just going to assume they last for a good minute unless you have damage to them, of course. These are the springs that hook it together on the inside. It's these and these small ones right here. It's not a hard thing to take apart. It's fairly simple. And just put it around. This is what everything mounts on, the axle or the hub or whatever you want to call it. Everything mounts onto this. This is your hub assembly. These are the bearings that go inside of it. Make sure these aren't bad. Check your racers, grease and lube them up, and put them back together properly. And a note is different people want different things, so you'd have to check with the manufacturer or the shop to see how much you got to torque on the bearings to make sure the wheel doesn't fall off. You don't want to cut it too short. You don't want to do it too much. So just be safe and check your specs. The bearings go inside the hub. This hub slides onto here, and the axle, the main drive axle, you can just put it through this, hooks in the differential over here, and that's how it drives and goes. It's fairly simple, but it's heavy duty, so it's pretty heavy. And nope, that's all. Thank you. My name's Jeffrey Batten. Hope you enjoyed the